How to link WhatsApp to another device. In this video, I'll show you how to link your WhatsApp account to another device in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Pause for a moment until the app loads. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Linked Devices. On the Linked Devices screen, tap the green Link a Device button at the bottom. Your phone will now open the QR code scanner. Simply scan the QR code displayed on the other device, such as WhatsApp Web on your computer or WhatsApp on another supported device. Wait a few seconds while WhatsApp securely links your account. Once the process is complete, your chats will be available on the linked device, and you can start using WhatsApp there right away. And that's it. You've successfully linked your WhatsApp account to another device. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.